Okay, you clicked on this video because you want to know how to do my amazing lighting style on videos, or the thumbnail just look good. Thanks if so. But hi, tutorial today, and yeah, I guess. Bro, I am so. At first, get your image or video. Now select the plus icon and press duplicate layer. Select shapes, then rectangle. Resize until it fits more than the whole canvas. Press create clipping mask. Press and hold the rectangle next to the eye icon and drag it down one. Select group on the right. Then select the group layer and press edit group. Select the rectangle layer and go to color and fill. Press the gradient icon. Press the black square and change the color to your ambient, aka the overall color of your background. Press the white square and set it to a red-pink color. These two dots are to control the gradient. Press and drag one end to control a certain color. Play with it until the pink side is facing the light. Now press the new project sign. Select the group and make a clipping mask. Go to blending and opacity. Press darken and select linear burn, then adjust the opacity to your liking. Now go to effects. Add effect. Go to the blur category and press Gaussian blur. Now go to shapes and press a rectangle. Fill the whole screen again. Clip it. Go to color and fill, then gradient, then select the color of your light and leave the other side black. Control the gradient until the colored part is facing the light. Go to blending and opacity, then lighten, then to color or linear dodge.